2007 was a great year. Or was it? I don't remember. I have my finest research assistants checking out what happened in 2007. Any research that pays for your First, let's find out if this even works. Moment of truth. Oh, the recession. Was it 2008? The Anaheim Ducks won the Stanley Cup. The Indiana Colts won the Super Bowl. Who won the World Series? Boston Red Sox. What else happened in 2007? Come on, something important. Oh, the iPhone came out and Britney Spears shaved her head. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna clean this screen. I got this product here. It's called Whoosh. Don't know if you guys remember this. I did a video on this about a month ago. This is a safe cleaning product, non-toxic, 99% plant-based materials, ammonia and alcohol free. It's good stuff. I use this to clean my phone because you guys know how I feel about phone cleanliness. Phones are very dirty, so spray with this, wipe with this microfiber cloth, and you're good to go. You want to stay clean, especially with coronavirus still present. So a few sprays. Let's clean this up. Wow, this is a throwback. It's like a blast from the past. Yeah, I always like to keep everything in one folder on the desktop. I like a clutter-free desktop. Cool. Okay, look at what we have here. So we got 2 cores at 2.16 gigahertz and 4 gigs of RAM with 160 gigabytes of storage. Let's see if the internet still works here. And I've even got the mouse that came along with this thing. The Magic Mouse. It's a little bit busted, but let's see if it still works. Yes, we're in business. Oh, feel that keyboard. Wow, that has some spring to it. They don't make them like that anymore, that's for sure. Very tactile. Yeah, I gotta say, I like this thing. Like, it gave me goosebumps pulling it out. I got excited. I like the color, the black. You know, it is pretty thick. Look how thick this thing is. You know, and it's heavy too. Oh my God. This is a 13-inch model. I have the 15-inch 2011 MacBook now, MacBook Pro, and they're about the same weight. Look at all the ports though. Remember the selection of ports that this thing came with? Man, I don't even know what some of these ports are. We got the mini DVI, the Ethernet, the MagStrip power charging. I'm not even sure what that is. We got 2 USBs, headphone jack. Don't know what that is. Let's find out. We got the FireWire port, and that is the security port. Not quite sure what that does. Keeps your laptop secure, I guess. What else do we got here? On this side, oh yeah, look at this, the CD-ROM slot. This thing, I wonder if there's anything in here. Not at the moment. They definitely don't make these anymore. But yeah, this thing is a beauty. So this thing was selling for anywhere between $1,100 and $1,500, depending on the configuration you got. You guys remember these came in 2 colors, white and black. I got the black one, obviously. Let me know in the comments if you guys had one of these, and let me know what color you had. And let me know if you still have it. And definitely let me know if you still use it. Okay, so let's compare this to something a little more modern. They don't make the MacBook anymore, but they do have the MacBook Air. So let's check that out. MacBook Air, let's go this year, 2020. The price point's still the same. Let's see what the specs are like. All right, so 1,300 bucks, Intel Core i5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, And yeah, it's 13 inches, blah, blah, blah. Okay, according to computerworld.com, the evolution of the MacBook started out with the PowerBook 100, released 1991. Price, $2,500. Then the PowerBook 500, 1994. Then the PowerBook G3, 1994 as well, $2,000. Then we had the iBook G3. This is one you guys might remember, 1999, 1,600 bucks. So the price is coming down and they're starting to get smaller and more stylish. Look at that thing, oh my God. Let me move this up for you here. Okay, let's see the next one. PowerBook Titanium G4, starting to look more like a Mac now. 2001, 2,600 bucks. Now 2006, we have the MacBook Pro. I had a friend who had that one. MacBook Polycarbonate, May 2006, I believe. Now we're getting into this model that we have here. $1,100 to $1,500. All right. MacBook Air, released in 2008. MacBook Unibody, released in 2008 as well. MacBook Pro, 2012, $2,200. And the MacBook 2015. I think this is when they stopped making the MacBook. They made this really thin MacBook with these new switches, keyboard switches. They weren't really good. 1,300 bucks for that. And then they just moved over to the MacBook Pro only, starting at 1,500, ranging all the way up to 2,400, and this was in 2016. And MacBook Pro 2017 to 2019. Now we're starting to get into 8-core processors, and this one is about 2,400 bucks for the 15-inch. And now we have the MacBook Air. So there's a little bit of history. Alright, well if you guys have any questions about this, feel free to post them in the comments. Be happy to talk about this. This MacBook is very special to me. It's the first laptop I ever had, and I still have it going on 13 years later, and it still works. So there's something to be said about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this rundown of the 2007 MacBook Black Edition. And like I said, if you guys have this laptop, hit me up in the comments. Tell me, your experience with it, if you still have it, and if you still use it. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you guys. See you in the next one.